Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to allow extensions in private window in Opera GX browser on Windows 11 and 10 PCs. For this, first open Opera GX browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner, and in the drop down menu select this one extensions, and again extensions. Under extensions page, you will find all the extensions that you have installed on your Windows PC in Opera GX browser. Under extensions, you will find this one option, allow in incognito. Just check this one option. In case you don't find this one option, click on this one details button under particular extension that you want to allow in incognito, and scroll down and you will find this one option, allow in incognito. Just turn on this one toggle switch to allow that particular extension in private window on Opera GX browser.